Your coworker asks a question, and for 3 full seconds, you say absolutely nothing.
Not, not, actual silence. I've done that. It's the worst feeling ever.
Everyone assumes the fix is bigger vocabulary. It's not. It's something way smaller than that.
One tiny phrase changes the whole thing, and honestly, it's kind of ridiculous how simple it is.
Welcome back to English Podcast with Edward and Loren, where we make English speaking actually make sense.
New here? Hey, glad you found us. You're going to want to stick around for this one.
Today's tool is called a bridge phrase. And yeah, it fixes that silence problem fast.
I use this one almost daily, not gonna lie. Okay, let's actually get into it. Real talk. My manager asked me something last month and my brain just left the building.
Same thing happened to me in a meeting in front of 6 people. Rough.
The silence felt like it lasted an hour. It was maybe 4 seconds.
That gap right there, that's exactly what a bridge phrase is built to fill.
So, what is it, actually? Like, give me the real definition.
A bridge phrase is a short sentence you say while your brain finishes catching up.
Instead of silence, you say something like, let me think about that for a second.
I'll be honest, I go shorter. Something like, good question, buys me just enough time.
See, that's the difference right there. Mine sounds thoughtful, yours sounds fast and casual.
Both work. The point isn't which one. It's that you're never just standing there silent.
Come on, say one out loud with me right now. Let me think about that.
So that's the fix. Now here's the mistake that basically every learner makes with this.
They think staying quiet looks polite, like they're being careful before they answer.
It backfires though. Native speakers don't read silence as careful, they read it as lost.
I learned that the hard way. Dead silence on a call and the guy just hung up.
Brutal, but honestly, everybody does this before they know the trick. It's not a big deal.
So here's your fix for that exact moment. Give me 1 second. I want to get this right.
Quick gut check. Silence reads as lost. A bridge phrase reads as thoughtful. Simple swap.
Okay, but there's a catch. How you say it actually matters here too.
Big one. Say it slow. A rushed bridge phrase sounds just as panicked as silence does.
Calm and steady, like you actually mean it. That's what sells it every time.
So now, where do you actually use these? Because it's not just phone calls.
Interviews, meetings, random hallway questions. Basically, anytime your brain needs a beat. For casual stuff, keep it light. Wait, let me think. That's it. Nothing fancy.
For work stuff, go a little more polished. That's a good point. Let me consider that.
Pick 2. Just 2. Practice them slow until they come out without thinking. Let's actually run one. Your coworker asks about the new schedule, out of nowhere.
Coworker, what do you think about the new schedule? You. Honestly, let me think about that for a second.
No panic, no dead air, just one calm line doing all the heavy lifting.
One more. A friend texts you something random and you're not ready to answer.
How do I put this? And just like that. Wait, we're doing it right now.
We are. This isn't a theory lesson. You're already using it live.
Try one out loud before we wrap. Go on, actually say it.
All right, here's everything in one breath. Silence reads as lost. A calm bridge phrase reads as confident. Your line, let me think about that for a second. Copy it, use it today.
Mine, how do I put this? Short, calm, and it instantly makes you sound sure of yourself. Drop a comment. Which one are you actually trying in your next conversation?
If this helped even a little, like it, send it to someone learning English, and subscribe to English Podcast with Edward and Loren.
Really glad you spent this time with us. Keep going. See you next time.